7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Banog 3, carrying the solar arrays of the Lunar Station. Second stage separation. And we have the second stage engines ignited. Seco. We have third stage ignition. Fairing separation confirmed. Doing the spin. Left. A little bit to the left. Push forward. Contact. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Third stage is going for a spin. Let's try to keep up with the third stage. So we try and dock the truss section. Docking confirmed. Solar array is detached from the third stage. I'm going for one of the struts, the one on the left of us. Contact. Waiting for docking confirmation. Do not have docking confirmation. Trying to recontact the docking ports. Seems like the third stage is going for a spin. Trying to match up the spin. Hold on. Still got enough fuel left. Hold on. Almost there. Gonna attempt first to stop a spin. Contact. Seems like the spinning has stopped. Try and attempt to dock for the second time. Push forward. Good contact. Docking confirmed. And detach. Going for the last structural part. Right. Dock with it. Looks like here we go again. Going for another spin. Alright, stop. Let's try to stop the third stage before it spins uncontrollably. Pull out, pull out. Pull down. Forward. Third stage is spinning again. Third stage is spinning again. Almost there. Here we go. Contact. Detach. We're separated from third stage.